Look what I found! The snow is melting, and there's some green grass. I like to eat grass. It's so yummy. Look at that! The snow has melted and there's some grass, Big Moose. Yes, look at that. That grass is so green, but we're dogs. Right, Max? We don't like to eat grass. I'm a moose. Grass is yummy in my tummy. But we're dogs. I like to eat bones. Me too. Bones are delicious. Max, I think I can smell something. What do you smell, Spot? Yeah, Spot, tell us what you smell. My doggy nose smells a big bone. Let's go and find it then. I'm a moose. I don't like to eat bones, only grass. But I'll come along for the adventure. Okay, Big Moose. Let's go and sniff out the bone. My nose tells me the bone is up ahead. I can smell it. Woof, woof. I can't smell a bone at all, but I can see something white. Let's go and have a look. I see something. This looks like a big bone. Yes, look at the bone. It is so big. Wait for me. My nose is leading me to the bone. I can smell it. Look at that. Look at that bone. It is very big. Yes, I think we should bury it in the snow and cache it and hide it. That's a great idea, Spot. Let's try it. Let's push the bone. Oh, it's so heavy. Push harder, Spot. Push harder. We need the moose to help us. He's very strong. The moose is so strong. Keep pushing, Max. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Oh, it's so heavy. Watch me. I'm going to move it with my feet. That's pretty good. Let's keep moving it. Let's put some snow on top of it. Look, Max, I see a big piece of snow. Let's push the snow over the bone and hide it. That sounds like a great idea, Spot. Let's try. Push, 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 push. Good work. That was so heavy, that big piece of snow. Yes, Max. Spot, let's jump on top of the piece of snow. Okay, Max. Look at that. Wow, look at that. I'm going to shovel some snow too with my antlers. Now our bone is hidden and we can eat it later. That's pretty cool. That's called a cache. Yes, it's a cache. It's our doggy bone hiding place. And I know where it is too. I helped my two friends. Oh yes. I'm so proud we hid our bone. Now no one can find it. That's right, Spot. This bone is hidden. No one can find it. Look at that. That bone is underneath the snow. We are so strong. we moved the snow over the bone. I'm gonna hop. Woohoo! Woohoo! Me too. Me too. I can also hop and jump. I'm a big moose. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along on an adventure with Max, me, and the big moose. Bye for now.